There are three common problems everyone has when trying to find the right heating and air conditioning service company. Does this sound familiar to you? Number 1, not showing up at the time they say they will. Number 2, worried about hidden costs that will come after they fix everything. Number 3, being taken advantage of because you don't know squat about heating and air conditioning. If you have any of these fears, then we want to put your mind at ease by offering you our free report, Everything You Must Know Before Hiring an HVAC Company. This is a clearly written 21-page report that will help you understand how the HVAC industry works in a simple way and what you need to know so you can make the best decision possible. Complete the form on this webpage and download your free report now.